children, in this video we are going to see how we can decide the geometry of a molecule. We know that hybridization number is equal to number of sigma bond plus lone pair on the central atom. But in this video we are going to see the structures and geometry with zero lone pair. If I am writing hybridization number 2, it means we are talking only about the 2 sigma bond. 3, here we are taking the condition only 2 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair. Here 3 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair. Okay. Here 4 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair. Here 5 sigma bond plus 0 lone pair. Here 6 sigma plus 0 lone pair. Here 7 sigma plus 0 lone pair. For this condition we are going to see the geometry for different type of hybridization. When your hybridization is 2, that time your shape is linear shape. Okay. When your hybridization number is 3, that time your shape is triangular planar shape. Means 3 bond will be in the same plane like this. Can you see that? This 3 bond in the same plane. Here will be the central atom. One atom will be here, one atom will be here, one atom will be here. This shape is called as triangular planar shape. Okay. When your hybridization number is 4 now, that time our shape is tetrahedral. Hybridization number 4. What are written tetrahedral and square planar? Square planar generally we are seeing in coordination complexes compound. Otherwise we in inorganic compounds generally showing tetrahedral if they are not a square planar coordination complexes compound. What hybridization number is 4? That time our shape is tetrahedral. This is the shape of tetrahedral. Three bonds like that. One will be above. If 3 bonds are like that. If I move my hand, this 3 will be down. This will be up. If I move my hand like this 3 will be down. This will be up. This is the shape of the tetrahedral. Okay. And we are saying in hybridization number 4 square planar also. Square planar is generally shown by the coordination compound. They are showing the square planar. Otherwise, we are seeing the tetrahedral for hybridization number 4. When our hybridization number is 5 now, that time we are saying structure is triangular planar bipyramidal. What is the shape of triangular planar? 3 bond will be same plane like this. One will be above the plane, one will be down the plane. Here will be the central atom, 3 bond in the same plane, triangular planar. One will be above and one will be down the plane. This is structure of triangular planar bipyramidal when our hybridization number is 5. Okay, when our hybridization number is 6 now, that time our shape is octahedral or we call them as a square planar bipyramidal. Square planar, this is planar, square planar and bipyramidal structure. What is the shape? 4 bond will be in the same plane. Here will be the central atom, here 1 bond, here will be the central atom, here 1 bond, here 2 bond, here 3 bond, 4 bond. 4 bond in the same plane, one will be above the plane, one will be above the plane, one will be down the plane. This is called as octahedral or square bipyramidal. Okay, whenever we are the bonds which is above the plane and down the plane now, they are called as axial bond. They are called as these 2 bonds will be called axial bond. In triangular planar, these are in the same plane now and these are above the plane and down the plane. This will call as axial bond. Bond which are in the same plane, they are called as equatorial bond. So here all these 4 will be equatorial bond. When your hybridization number is 7, that time your shape is pentagonal planar bipyramidal. How you see the structures? Draw a pentagonal. Okay. In the center there will be central atom. At the 5 corner of the pentagonal, draw 5 bonds. They will be in the same plane. One will be above the plane, one will be down the plane. Here our central atom, 5 bond in the same plane. On the corner of the pentagonal, one will be above the plane, one will be down the plane. Okay, if I draw the pentagonal here, one will be above the plane, one will be down the plane. This is the structure of pentagonal bipyramidal. Whatever structure we have seen now, we have just seen with 0 lone pair. In the next video, we are going to see when we introduce the lone pair, what is the structure of the molecule is going to be. Thank you.